Hey guys, welcome to Unboxing Live 365. I am so excited on this Friday because I just received a gift for myself, I guess, to unbox in the mail from UPS. Now, I did block out everything in my details, but basically this is just released. It's my unboxing, and it's going to be an unboxing actually of the Apple Watch Ultra, which was just the newest version that Apple did release. Now, follow my channel and links in my page to see more unboxings in the future. And I thank you for your support. And if you like my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell button for future videos to notify when I do get more videos of unboxing and things. So again, this is the Apple Watch Ultra, which was just released. And this is my first unboxing, so you guys are going to be joining in the experience. Now to receive this, it took about 2 weeks wait. I did just order it right when it came out for pre-order on the Apple website. So they promised me to arrive here on September 23rd, which it did. And so that is the unboxing just of the generic box for shipping. Now look at this. I mean, I don't think I can get a more premium than this. Apple has gone with the more simplistic style of packaging compared to the previous versions. Now, I do currently have the Apple Watch 7, which is, I guess, being phased out online. There's only the 8 and the SE and the new Ultra now. The Apple Watch SE did replace the Apple Watch 3, which they were selling. I'll put the box aside. And the 7 compared to the 8, I mean, there's not a huge difference between that. It's just minor differences. Now, to note, this does run on the latest Apple Watch operating system, which is Apple Watch 9. Same with mine. There's a lot of new features to it. I won't go into detail with that. This is purely an unboxing experience. Now, it does say here, so the Apple Watch Ultra, it is a titanium case. There are multiple bands with it. I did choose the Midnight Ocean band. Now, if you guys didn't know anything about, I'll just go a little quickly about the detail. There are 3 different bands: the Infinite Loop, the Explorer one, which is more for adventure, and the Midnight Ocean band is more for divers. Now, for those who haven't seen all the features of the watch itself, basically it's more towards the more extremist people who want the watch. Extreme sports, extreme divers who go for, scuba diving. This watch is rated for 100 meters, and it does have a lot of sensors for that, like a depth gauge, stronger battery life. But again, we'll unbox this thing first and we'll go in more into detail. So same things, it just comes with these flaps that you usually fold down first so you don't ruin the box for future. And just letting you guys know, this is not a sponsored video. I did purchase this myself. Quickly on the price, this starts retail in Canada for $1,099. Now look at that box. I mean, that is pretty crazy. The display is bigger. I mean, again, you could see everything from this. It's just geared towards nature and exploration. It basically, again, I've never seen this before, so we're going through it. It tells you all the details, the different alpine loop, the ocean band, and the trail. Now, the watch face itself, I mean, if we look at it, it is titanium cased. The screen is bigger than any of the other watches. It is also a lot brighter. For instance, I mean, when you turn this on, this is the 7 and the 8s. They're all about 1,000 nits, I believe, which is the brightness. This is twice. This goes 2,000 nits. And ceramic coating in the back, or ceramic covering, I should say. Same thing. Now, the difference with that, they'll show you the differences. It comes with the dial here, which is bigger for the crown. It is encompassed, as you can see from the picture, because it is covered to protect it. There is this, what they call the new action button. Now, the action button itself, you can customize to start a workout, to start a dive, a lot of those customizations that you can get with it. Again, this is an updated compass. This is the depth app, which tells you how deep you're going, the meters, the time, even the current water temperature. So there is a lot. I guess this is the Apple documentation. So let's put that aside. And now let's go through both of them. I guess this is going to be the band, which is great. Again, I got the Midnight Ocean band. Yep, Ocean band, titanium buckle, adjustable loop. And this is the watch itself. So we'll put the band aside, we'll look at it later, and we'll put it all together. Now, what it looks like, again, serial numbers, all that. So let's open this up. Let's actually put this one aside. That looks great, though. So, same usual stuff from Apple, simplistic, like I said, but you're still excited about ripping all this off. The old Apple Watch bands, or boxes, I should say, they were actually a lot slimmer. I believe they got rid of the charging block as well, so this just comes with a magnetic charger. Same thing, kind of Apple look there. And comes with the Designed by Apple in California. I believe that's longitude and latitude that they give you. Again, this watch is all about exploration. Look at this. Now this is kind of the same as the 7 and the 8s, I believe, but this one will be a lot nicer. The 7 has a slim MagSafe, so it is slimmer, it's lighter. USB-C connector. And the only difference now is Apple is going with braided cords, which I mean, it's stronger, more durable, which is great. I like seeing that. So we'll put that aside first. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. Wow, this is actually way heavier than the 7. You could feel it. I mean, it is got a bit of weight to it. It's chunkier for sure. But man, I'm excited. It's 49 millimeters in the diameters for the screen itself versus I believe this is a 45 on the 7. 44s for the bigger ones in the Apple Watch 5 and 6. So I believe it opens from here. Wow, like that's crazy. I mean, just look at it. I'm going to cheat and just open through the corners because and rip it. I mean, that's not the best, but so put that aside and man, look at this. This is like, you just feel the weight on it. It's definitely a lot heavier, but I am so excited to use it. As you can see there, we'll zoom in. So titanium, dive to 40 meters, water resistant 100. This does come with GPS and LTE, so it is built in with the LTE and cellular connection. That's the only option you get with this. There's no selection of one or the other without cellular. Ceramic case, sapphire crystal glass. Again, it's sturdier than this. I believe this is like ion glass. Quote me if I'm wrong. But man, this is great. Like, there's depth sensors there. There's 2 speakers. There's a few mics in there. But same sensors, I believe, for the heart rate and pulse ox, all that. So we're going to, let's get the band out and put it together. So same thing with the band. Opens from here. Again, I'm going from the Watch 7 to the Ultra, so it's a pretty big jump and a leap. If it was an 8, it'd be a little different. Now it teaches you a few things. I might actually just go through something else down the road. Let's look at this here first. So that goes through there. That's the paperwork. So the loop, I will actually set the loop up later because you do need to customize where the loop goes and how to insert it. It'll actually show you everything here and how the setup, but again, we'll go through that later on. This is really just to show you what it looks like when you first unbox everything. So let's go power it on and see how it looks. I believe it's going to be this one, just like the others. And there we go. So let's put that aside. Man, just looking at this, it's just, the dial feels solid. Buttons and the clickiness of it, like, it's really well made, you can tell. And the back is a lot nicer. Again, it's ceramic casing. It says Watch Ultra. So same thing as usual. We'll go through that. So go through there. You select your language. It's going to be English. I am in Canada. I don't know if we can do the pairing later. So we can't. So I'll do the pairing later. Again, I'll do probably a more in-depth review video of the features and everything, what I think of it after using it for a bit. Maybe about a month from now, I'll probably post that. But man, just looking at the bezels of everything, it's just crisp. I mean, it's gonna be nice. But again, I'm so excited to show you. So I mean, same thing. This dial just feels great, and everything else. And I'm powering off. It's just holding it down again. This is really great. Like smaller buttons, but yeah. Again, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see the future review video of what I think about it after using it for a bit, a month or more, please follow and like my channel. And thanks again for the support, and hope to see you guys again soon. Take care.